Welcome back. In the teachings of Sri Anandamurti, liberation is not a distant idea, but a precise ascent. What are the exact rungs of liberation, and how does consciousness climb from relative awareness toward the Supreme? Today, we trace that inward ladder. From the first, turning away from worldly dualities to Nirvikalpa Samadhi. Here, the witness within observes thought without being carried away, discovering a stillness deeper than thought. The seeker first turns from worldly dualities. Desire and sensation loosen their grip and the mind begins to steady. What once tossed awareness like a leaf in the wind begins slowly and patiently to become still. This inward turn is not escape from life. It is the beginning of seeing life clearly. Subject and object briefly blur. This glimpse is temporary, yet it redirects consciousness inward. The practitioner glimpses a reality in which the physical world is no longer the only truth. The glimpse is not permanent, but it shatters an old assumption and redirects the entire vector inward. Then comes Savikalpa Samadhi, absorption with a seed, a subtle distinction still remaining. The unit mind merges with cosmic consciousness, flooded by bliss, while a microscopic trace of individuality remains. It is absolute, transformative, and larger than ordinary thought can contain, yet something delicate still lingers. The remaining seed is subtle, not allowed identity, but the final tendency toward separateness. A microscopic trace of individual ego or form remains in the background, like a final outline. Like a river entering the sea, separation has nearly vanished, though its channel can still be imagined. This is the mystery of Savikalpa. Union is profound, while a seed of distinction remains. Beyond it stands Nirvikalpa Samadhi, without seed, without distinction, without ego. It is absorption without seed, without distinction, and without any trace of individual ego. Here, the causal mind transcends avidya, the binding force of illusion, entirely. Avidya, the binding force of illusion, falls away. Unit consciousness and supreme consciousness are indistinguishably one. There is no separate center left to claim the experience, no boundary left to defend. And yet, the journey does not end when the yogi returns from this supreme stance. And when the yogi returns, they bring no claim of self, only grace, moving through everyone and everything. That grace moves through everyone and everything, transforming the world without announcing a separate self. The highest realization is not possession, it is surrender. And surrender becomes a quiet force of service. This is the map of salvation given through our Guru's discourse, a precise ascent, step by step. This is the inward ladder. Keep striving toward that realization.